A fight for faith in the courtroom. A Texas judge could be sued for starting every court session with a short prayer.
Sued, yeah. The Freedom from Religion Foundation says the invocation is unconstitutional. The state attorney general says he supports the judge, but the foundation is considering a lawsuit.
So joining us now, Montgomery, Texas Justice of the Peace, Judge Wayne Mack, and his lawyer, Chelsea Human. Thank you so much, both of you, for being with us.
Good morning.
Thank you for having us. You're welcome. All right, Judge, I'll start with you. Tell us about how you feel about this.
Well, it's very disappointing. The U.S. Supreme Court and the Texas Supreme Court all start their opening sessions with an invocation, and we're just following in their footsteps. And our Attorney General has ruled everything we're doing is constitutional.
So legal, but and you ran on this. Am I correct, Judge?
Yes, sir. I ran with the idea of starting a chaplaincy program to be able to respond to the needs. In my court, I deal with misdemeanors, but as well as I'm also the coroner, and so I get to be on some very unsightly scenes and deal with tragedy and with people in their darkest hour. And so having this chaplaincy program was very important to me.
You know, the Freedom from Religion Foundation says this: complainants felt coerced to participate in the prayers, and both participated against their conscience out of fear of prejudicing the judge. Let me ask something. Did you force people to take part in the prayers and sit through it?
No, sir. We've never forced anybody. We give everybody the opportunity, and they choose to be in the courtroom. They do not have to be in the courtroom when this opening ceremony takes place. And so if they choose to be offended, it's because they choose to be in the courtroom while it's going on.
Chelsea, legally, can this group from Wisconsin tell you guys down in Texas what you should and shouldn't be doing in your courtroom?
Absolutely not. The Supreme Court and the Texas Supreme Court both open their sessions with a brief invocation as well. The Supreme Court has ruled on this twice before in Town of Greece and Marsh v. Chambers, that prayers and invocations are perfectly constitutional for opening sessions, and if it's constitutional for the Supreme Court, it's constitutional for Judge Mack.
Judge, let me ask something. How do you get to be a coroner and a judge? How much school did you go to?
Well, that's a long story, Brian, and they've told me I only got 30-second answers. So, but we're the highest volume court in Texas. The justice court system is, and so we have a coroner system, and in our county, all 5 justices perform those duties, and we get to help people every day. That's what I enjoy about my position.
Wow, what responsibility!
Thank you, Judge, and God bless you both. Thanks for being here. We wish you all the best with this case.
Thank you very much.
And hopefully Ainsley won't be sued later today for saying that.